It's so hot today. I know.
Aww.
Even cold soda doesn't help. Yeah, we have to do something. Well, let's see. Wow, look what I found.
Wow.
That's a great idea. We'll go glamping. We can hide from the heat in our tent.
Yes!
Sue, that's awesome. I can't wait to get started. Let's start by choosing a location. What if we set up right here? This lawn is perfect for glamping. That's a great idea, bestie. Let's do it. Let's make a base out of wooden blocks. Cut off the excess, and now let's make holes for the frame. Now it's done. We can use the drill. Now attaching the boards is easy. Wow, the wooden foundation is almost done. Insert flexible pipes into the holes. The first arc is already there. Let's insert the second pipe. That's great. A couple more pipes and the frame is ready. We did it, bestie! Let's place one more pipe along the future roof. Fix the structure with plastic ties. Tighten it up. Cool! Let's cover the frame with white fabric. The tent will save you from the sun and bad weather. Delightful! Although it lacks windows. We're gonna fix that now. Using a cardboard stencil, draw a circle on the fabric. And then cut it out neatly. Well, you don't need to ask. It's awesome. Apply hot melt glue to a round piece of cardboard and attach it to the hole in the wall. Ah, how nice is the window! Catch, Megan. It's for the entry. A round door? How original! I'm telling you, it's a classy move. We outline and cut a hole for the doors. The main thing is to take your time and make it even. Decorate the entrance with a red circle. There's something about it. So, what's a chill zone without padded poofs? Beanbag chairs are always a great idea. Wow, there's so much room inside. The girls love their new abode. Let's make it even cuter! You can never have too many plants, right? This house is made for coziness. A garland of plants? Why not? And I'll decorate the window area. I feel right at one with nature. And you belong here, my green friend. Phew, I'm getting a little tired of the greenery.
Wow.
Then you're sure to love my colorful workshop. Colored yarn? That's interesting. Divide the yarn into equal sections, tie it in the center, and fold. Then braid the top of the future tassel, like this. Trim off the excess, and voila! The tassel is ready.
Yeah.
Wow, awesome! And I made a whole bunch of colored pom-poms. Wow, they're so cute and fuzzy. Let's get to decorating. Attach a plain thread to the frame of the house and hang our colorful pom-poms on it. So satisfying. Wow, what a transformation.
Wow.
Look at how beautiful it is. It's awesome. But that's not all. I know what to do with these plastic folders too. Now watch my hands. Cut bright plastic envelopes into shapes. Whatever shape you want. Trust your imagination. And now, form some cute snakes using a stapler. Put colored garlands on the windows. Every self-respecting glamping house should have a stained glass window. Wow, make it colorful. It's time to get some fresh lemonade. We've done a great job decorating this place, haven't we? I think the ceiling is a little boring. Let's add some bright elements to it. This is gonna be magical, like fireworks in the sky! Cut out figures from brightly colored foam sheets and glue them to the ceiling. The more color, the better. It's obviously a little empty in here. Here! We need to fill in all the blanks. What do you think? It turned out even better than we thought it would. High five, bestie! We've been inside too long. Oops,
Hey.
we totally forgot to decorate the entrance. That's right! Let's start by putting up a nice fence here. Great! And we'll put this bush by the entrance. And Megan decided to add flowers and a monstera plant. A fluffy rug at the entrance says Sweet Tooth is always welcome here. And how can you do without a donuts garland?
Okay.
That looks delicious. Hey, look what I got! To make the house look more fun, Let's glue foam figurines on the outside as well. Easy and super bright. Wow, what a wonderful transformation. Sue came up with something fun. We're gonna make a pinata. Out of cardboard? That's a great idea. Apply white glue to the cardboard heart and decorate it with a fringe of colored paper. Row after row. The more colors, the better. My piece is ready. Mine's ready too. Lay the piece with the colored side down. Attach the sidewall made of corrugated cardboard. Fill the pinata with candy and cover it with the second colored heart. Decorate the gray side with paper too. Done! Now we need to hang the toy from the ceiling. We're finally stocked. There's a fruit waterfall happening in the girls' house. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I know what to do. We need a table. Let's make it out of a tray and paper urn. Paint the lid of the table with acrylic spray. Wow, so easy and fast. Ta-da! Finally, there's room for our barbecue. Okay, what else? I know. What's glamping without lights? Let's add light effects to the house. I want vintage light bulbs. I'm going for LED lights. Place the wire of the garland on the frame. Proper lighting is the key to a glamorous atmosphere. Small lights will set the right light accents. I totally agree with you, bestie. There, done. Well, it's ready. Time to go for a walk. Great idea. Wow, this weather is like a fairy tale. I love the outdoors. Uh-oh, looks like there are uninvited guests in the glamping.
Wow, nobody's here. In that case, this house is mine.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, this guy doesn't look glamorous at all. Oh no, what's with his manners?
Well, what do we have here?
Oh no, the new tenant decided to make some changes.
That's better. Watermelon.
Wait a minute! What kind of news is that? This is our glamping, Mr. Tramp, and we didn't invite you here.
Hey, lady, would you keep your voice down? I'm trying to rest here.
I can't believe it! He stole our cabin! Don't panic. I know what to do. The money trap has to work. All you need to do is tie a bill to the rope. Hey, sir, wanna make a quick buck?
Whoa, money. Come here. I don't bite.
Look at that! He's gone! We did it! Sue, you're a genius! High five! We have the house to ourselves again. Oh, what is that? Yeah, this guy's got a problem with design taste. By the way, what do you say we throw a cool movie night? A glamping party? We should call all our friends. Hello! And don't forget the food. The guests are here. I think it's here. Guys, we're so glad to see you. Welcome to our fun party. First up, of course, the pinata. Who wouldn't want to see a sweet surprise? Me first. Oops, that's not so easy. Your turn now. Go for it, Dan. I believe in you. Wow, it's cloudy in the sky. Cloudy with a chance of candy.
I think I found my favorite game.
Megan and Michelle are having a marshmallow barbecue. 1 marshmallow, 2 marshmallows. Yummy, I can't wait to try it. But first, the sweet treat needs to be roasted. Just wait, guys, it's almost ready. It looks delicious. Wow, this is so tasty. The glamping party is in full swing, and the icing on the cake is a movie night. Pull back the curtain and make room for a screen. All right, folks, are you ready? Enjoy the show. I love this part.
Now we have everything we need for the project. Tie the 2 hoops together. Yay! We did it! And now cut off all the extra. Where's the rope, Sue? We need it for the frame. It's going great so far. But now we need to do the most important thing. Raise the shelter high above the ground. Tie the rope. Make sure it's sturdy. That's high enough. But salvation should be comfortable, which means you can't do without a blanket. And of course, the decor. Surviving the apocalypse can be beautiful. Bright ribbons and lots of cushions are just the thing. This place is so comfortable after all. The shelter is great, except there's only one seat here. What about me, Penny? That's right. You can't leave your friend in the fire. Let's think of something. Penny, we need a house. It won't be long before the lava comes to their street. That's why they have to work fast.
Right.
Let's start by trimming these boards. That's easy. Almost like getting a manicure. Penny, this is too slow. Let's do it for real with a saw. It's much faster this way. This house should withstand all the trials of the apocalypse. When you know how to work the screwdriver, you can do anything. Done! Now for the hard part. Let's hang the house on the tree. Then we'll be safe. But Sue doesn't seem to be very good at marksmanship. Oh, my goodness! Help! Somebody! Penny is trapped. I'm going to let go of the rope. Oops! Why do you have to be so harsh? Are you okay, Penny? Who knew construction was so dangerous?
Yay!
And yet it all worked out for the friends. The house is up. No lava can get in. Hey, Penny, I'm right here. You've climbed so high. Don't worry. We have a rope ladder. Come on up. Oh, no. Penny is so afraid of heights. Hey, that ladder looks a little unreliable. Hold on, Sue. I'll be right there. Safety first. Full mountaineer's outfit. And Penny is ready for the climb. Wait for me, Sue. I'm coming. This is so scary. Penny, don't move. I have to take this off. Oops. Easy, girl. I could have fallen. Don't worry, Penny. I got you. That's it. Be careful. Don't look down. I did it.
Yay!
I'm on top. It's so beautiful up here, isn't it? But something is missing. Time to decorate our new home. These will do just fine. Let's hang them from the ceiling. That's a good idea. Look what I found, Sue. Oh no, Penny. This looks very suspicious. It's buzzing in a weird way. Oh no, it's a beehive. And the final touch is the ribbons. Hello, how's the apocalypse? Penny better not be distracted talking. Oh no, a snake! Penny! Okay, that's it. That's enough decorations. The friends are safe, but they still need to know what's going on down there. Let's see. It's all quiet around here. No panic. Let me see. Wow! Look at that! There's food right up ahead. Fried chicken. Delicious. I'm starving, Sue. We can't leave the shelter, but we can use a fishing rod. Should we start fishing? Casting the rod. And wait for a decent catch. Boy, you won't get lunch today. Pulling the line back.
Whoa!
Take your time, Penny. That's my catch. Oh, yeah? Give me the rod. And Penny's a pro at catching chicken, too. Done. The food is already on the hook. Pulling. Wow, what a huge piece. Lucky Penny. Let's not be petty. And let's get a full bucket of food right away. It's the apocalypse, man. It's nothing personal. That's better.
Hey.
Waiting for the end of the world turns out to be kind of exhausting. I wish I could think of some entertainment for the apocalypse. Here's an idea, Penny.
Yay!
Let's have a party in the hanging house. The lava is coming, and it's going to get really hot. There are lights. There's music, too. What more do you need for a great party? Where's our lemonade? Everyone downstairs is in trouble. They can accidentally get caught in the sweet rain. Hey there! Watch out! Who doesn't like our party? How about some confetti? Even the apocalypse can be fun. Sleeping in the hanging house feels amazing. Oh no! Where's the smoke coming from? Penny, I think it's starting. The lava is coming. What's that sound? Penny, look! There's a doggy. It's so cute. If we leave it there, it will die. We're starting a rescue mission. The hook is caught on the collar. Pulling it up. Oh no! A dog is not fried chicken. The fishing line didn't hold. Penny, we have to do something. Don't panic, girl. We're going to hook the dog with a rope. Yes, the homemade elevator is working well. Pulling up. Hey, buddy, are you okay? We did it, Penny. But it seems that the promised lava isn't in town yet. The girls were wrong. It's a barbecue, but it's still better to wait upstairs. Here comes the hurricane. But the hanging house is quite strong. Sue, be careful. I got you. Hello, emergency services? We got a hurricane instead of lava. The phones don't work. This is the beginning of the end. Run, Sue. Penny, wait, you'll fall. Grab the ladder. Let's go down. I'm not leaving you. Hold on. Only a real house can withstand a hurricane. Let's just sit here for now, okay? Lava can wait. The hurricane's much scarier. Dear viewers, this is an emergency broadcast. Lava is canceled for today. Wind and rain will fall on the city. What? We don't need the hanging house anymore? And we'll meet you after the flood. Have a nice swim. We tried so hard. And now we have to build a boat.